Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So I Sulpi Jaggi welcome you all to your science class. So before starting our today's topic, I would like to say something. As you all know, pandemic is going on. COVID-19 is at peak right now. The condition of our country is very serious. So I request you all, please don't go outside. Take necessary precautions. Wash your hands or sanitize your hands at regular intervals. Wear your mask. Please stay home and stay safe. So let's start our today's topic. So we have already done our PT1 syllabus or UT1 syllabus that is chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 2 Food Health and Diseases and chapter 3 Solid Liquid and Gases. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, plant reproduction, right? So plants are the most important living organisms on the earth. They give life to all, right? Plants gives us food. So without plants, we can't imagine our life, right? So if I ask you how plant grows, so you all will tell me that plant grows from seeds. But have you ever thought that how that tiny seeds convert into a big tree? Right, that is going to we study in this chapter about the plant reproduction. What is reproduction? The process of reproducing, right? In which the plants and animals give rise to offspring, right? So that we are going to study in this chapter that how plants grows from the seeds, about the seed germination. All right. So let's start with this chapter.
So, beta, let's start with the introduction. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction क्या है आपका? As I told you, all living organisms give rise to individuals of their own kind for the survival of their species, and this is called reproduction. Reproduction in plants also means to produce new plants of their own kind. So, reproduction means producing young ones of its own kind. So, plants are living things which are very useful to us. Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to live, or you can say to prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Plants cannot move from place to place, but their leaves show movement to capture light from the sun, and their roots show movement towards the ground. And their seeds can be carried by animals or blown by the wind. सीड डिस्पर्सल ये हम पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में लेटर ऑन. Plants can grow from different parts of the plant like seeds, stems, roots and leaves. So, seeds क्या है आपकी? Seed is a part of a seed plant which can grow into a new plant, right? So, flowering plants क्या होते हैं आपके? Flowering plants that grow around, most plants that grow around us have flowers, and such plants are known as flowering plants. And flowers develop into fruits. For example, you can see the figure. You can see the picture of orange flower which forms an orange. Sorry. Next, bitter gourd flower. Bitter gourd flower आपका क्या बनाएगा? Bitter gourd. And papaya flower forms a papaya. Okay. So most fruits have seeds. Most fruits have seeds. You know, we eat fruits. Some fruits have many seeds. Some fruit have one seeds. So seeds of different fruits have different shape and sizes. And most plant produce many flowers that turns into a fruits. और fruits के पास क्या होते हैं? Seeds in them. So but all seeds do not produce new plants. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर seed से आपका new plant बन जाए. Okay. So some seeds are not fully developed, so they don't grow into a new plant. So let us see the structure of a seed. Okay. So structure of a seed, आप कोई भी gram seeds ले सकते हो. Take few gram seeds or bean seeds and soak them for few hours. Now split the seed. You will see that seeds have three parts. Three parts. First is seed coat, second is embryo, and third is cotyledons, right? So what is seed coat? जो outer covering आपकी होती है, the outer protective covering of a seed. Basically, what is the function of a seed coat? Seed coat क्या करता है? It protects the seeds from any damage and for drying out, right? you can see this brownish layer, right? This brownish layer is called seed coat, the outer covering of a seed. Are you getting my point? Okay, second is cotyledons. वो क्या होता है आपका? Inside the seed coat there is a fleshy part of the seed. Okay, तो cotyledons क्या है? It contains food which is used by the baby plant for growth. Okay, so cotyledon समझ आ गया. Inside the seed coat a seed has seed leaf. आप seed leaf भी बोलते हो उसे. And these leaves are called cotyledons. The leaves of a seed have food stored in them and baby plant uses this food to grow. Are you getting my point? cotyledons क्या होता है? seed leaf होती है और उस leaf में food store होता है, right? As you know that green leaf है, they can prepare their own food, right? So the leaves of a seed have food stored in them and baby plant uses this food to grow. Now what is this embryo? Embryo क्या है आपका? Embryo, this is the baby plant inside the cotyledons, the part of a seed or bud that contains the earliest forms of a plant's roots, stem and leaves are called embryo. समझ आया? Embryo जो अंदर आपका बेबी प्लांट लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर आप देख रहे हो वो आपका एम्ब्रियो है. दिस इज द बेबी प्लांट इनसाइड cotyledons and the part of a seed or bud that contains the earliest form of plant roots, stem and leaves वो आपके एम्ब्रियो में आ जाता है. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन देयर आर 3 parts of a seed. First is seed coat. Okay, seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. It protects the baby plant inside the seed, right? It protects the seed from any damage and for drying out. And second is cotyledons. Cotyledons inside the seed coat, there is a fleshy part of the seed. And this fleshy parts हम क्या बोलते हैं इसे? cotyledons. इसको seed leaf भी बोलते हैं, right? And baby, this is the or third part is embryo, जिसे हम बेबी प्लांट बोलते हैं, राइट? दिस इज द बेबी प्लांट इनसाइड द cotyledons and the part of a seed or bud that contains the earliest form of a plant root, stem and leaves. So baby plant को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Embryo. So as you can see in this figure or in this picture or diagram of a structure of a seed, right? तो इसमें 3 parts आप देख रहे हो. जो आपका ग्रीन कलर का है दिस इज़ कॉल्ड अ बेबी प्लांट और आपको एम्ब्रियो बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ आपका कोटाइलडोन, ये आपका फूड सप्लाई करता है. एंड द आउटर कवरिंग प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग इज कॉल्ड सीड कोट. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ सीड इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. ओके, सो next is what are the types of seeds? Okay, so basically there are 2 types of seed, namely dicotyledons and monocotyledons, right? So some seeds like those of pea and beans when open show 2 thick parts. उन्हें हम बोलते हैं cotyledons, right? The seeds with 2 cotyledons are called dicotyledons. Di means 2. And some seeds which have only 1 cotyledon as in maize, such seeds are called monocotyledons. Are you getting my point? कि आपके monocotyledons and dicotyledons क्या होते हैं? जिसमें सिर्फ फर्स्ट 1 cotyledon है, such plants are called monocotyledons. and जिसमें आपका 2 cotyledons हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं dicotyledons. Okay? Monocotyledonous plants and dicotyledonous plants क्या होते हैं? Di means 2. Plants that produce seeds with 2 cotyledons are called dicotyledonous plants और dicots भी बोलते हैं. जैसे आपका बीन हो गया, मस्टर्ड हो गया, एप्पल हो गया, they are dicotyledonous plants. Okay, and some plants produce seeds with 1 cotyledon and such plants are called monocotyledonous plants or monocots. So all kinds of grasses are monocotyledonous plants. जैसे आपका मेज़ हो गया, वीट हो गया, पैडी हो गया, रागी हो गया, और जो ग्रासेस होते हैं जो आपके वो आपके क्या होते हैं? मोनोकॉट्स. आई होप ये क्लियर है. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, डाइकॉट सीड जब आप उसको बीच में से स्प्लिट करोगे तो उसमें आप यू विल बी एबल टू सी 2 कोटाइलडोन्स आते हैं. ओके, और मोनोकॉट सीड में आपका सिर्फ एक ही कोटाइलडोन आप देख पाओगे. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? वीट आपका मोनोकॉट है, ग्राम आपका डाइकॉट है, मूंग आपका मोनोकॉट. So beta try to find out which of the seeds are made up of two cotyledonous and which of the seeds are made up of only one cotyledonous. Okay, what you have to do, just soak a few seeds of wheat, gram, moong, mustard, maize, rice in water for a few hours, and then you have to find out which of these seeds are made up of two cotyledonous or one cotyledonous. So you have to find out whether the seed is monocotyledonous plant or monocots or dicotyledonous plants. Okay, so beta that's all for today. In our next class, we will study about germination of a seed. Bye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.